Again, we would emphasize that the possibility of attack today is very remote, but we do believe that it's important that we be proactive, that we plan and are prepared for every possibility moving forward.
It's concerning. I feel a little bit like it's out of my hands, so I guess I kind of push it out of my mind a little bit.
But obviously, when you have an individual in power the way he is over there in North Korea, he seems somewhat unstable. And because of that, I think precautions should be taken.
The President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
The fundamental question of our time is whether the West has the will to survive.
This is an historic moment from which there can be no turning back.